Welcome back, Bears.
I'm Ren.
Summer.
I'm Jay.
Robin.
DJ.
I'm Aiden.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Vladimir.
I'm Haley. I'm Lucas. I'm Green.
I'm Tunin. I'm Gabriel.
I'm Henry.
I'm D.
I'm Diego.
I'm Landon.
I'm James.
I'm Marquis.
I'm Zachary.
I'm Brandon Bickle.
I'm Lincoln.
I'm Kyrie.
I'm Uriah.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Annalise.
Reporting from the BTV studio.
Thursday fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, just bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'm in your ship. See how I feel every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do.
Welcome back, Bears. I'm Aiden, reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Thursday, October 14th, and it's National Dessert Day. Have some pie or cake today. Let's take a quick look at today in history. On October 14th, 1947, American test pilot and U.S. Air Force officer Chuck Yeager rode the X-1 rocket-powered supersonic research airplane over the Rogers Dry Lake in Southern California to become the first man to break the sound barrier. Interested in joining the Brennan Bowling team? Come out to the NISD High School Bowling Recruiting Day, Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Bandera Bowl, located at 6700 Hebner Road. Meet head coach Rachel Toney and find out about the upcoming season. And you can bowl with your friends on Saturday for $5. If you have any questions, please see math teacher Brian Silva at C1217. Bears, buy your homecoming 2021 tickets during lunch tomorrow. And then on Monday, October 18th, Wednesday, October 20th, and Friday, October 22nd. The dance is October 23rd from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. in the cafeteria. The theme is Be Our Guest. Bears, you can now officially campaign for Homecoming Court. Look for all the nominees in the Student Council Twitter page. Search for Bears_STUCO nominees, including Vanessa Vingo-Shia, Sydney McMullen, and Carolyn Nirabong for Homecoming Queen, and Derek Hogan, Santiago Cruz, and Alessandro Espinosa for Homecoming King. Nominees will need to have posters approved by Associate Principal Joshua Hall before they are posted on the wall. You can have until October 18th to campaign. Voting opens October 19th at 8 a.m. and closes October 21st at 5 p.m. Good luck to all of you. And if you have plans on inviting a guest from another high school, you will need to submit a guest form. You can pick one up in the VPO. The completed form is due October 20th. Get out and cheer on our #1 ranked Bears football team tomorrow night at 7 p.m. at Ferris Stadium as they take on the O'Connor Panthers. But first, make plans to attend our Circus-themed pep rally tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the main gym. Bears also help with the aquatics team with their yearly food drive. Red SA Food Bank collection bins are located by the school entrance for you to help with the food drive. Please consider helping out. Swim athletes and their families will bring collected items to the annual rivalry meet with Harlan, with whom they teamed up with for the food drive. Bears will also compete against Taft in the swim competition tomorrow at the George Block Aquatic Center at 6 p.m. Congrats to our BMB for placing first in their class, winning all categories at the U.S. Bands competition at Liberty Hill High School this past weekend. In finals, the BMB placed second overall but won first in music. Way to go, BMB! Our Lady Bears volleyball team fell against Taft 3-0 Tuesday night. Let's get out and support them tomorrow against O'Connor at 7 p.m. at the Northside Sports Gym. BFND, ladies. Congrats to our Running Bears cross-country teams for their hard work at the 29-6A district meet, Tuesday. Congrats Kayla Lyons for finishing second overall in the varsity girls division and advancing to the regional cross-country meet, which will be in Corpus Christi in 2 weeks. And finally, Bears, administrators and teachers want to remind everyone to keep traffic moving in the hallways. They advise you to use the walk and talk method to get to class on time. Let's avoid clogging up the hallways. Well, this is all I have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears. And if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching BTV Bears. If you have any announcements for BTV, please email Mr. Cerna at fernando.cerna@nisd.net. I'm Aiden, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, Bears, and keep a positive mindset and stay engaged in your learning. Bye!
This is a BTV production.